you and your friend have gotten a hair transplant surgery done from the same clinic using the same technique, and the number of grafts were also the same. However, after 6 months, one person is having a fuller and denser look, and the other person is not having so much of a density. Now, the natural question is, why does this happen? And I am here today to break it down in a simpler terms. Now, there is something known as the scalp condition. Depending on the quality of your scalp, the thickness and the blood supply that is available. So the texture of the scalp also matters. It plays a huge role in providing the graft survivability. Then there is something known as the donor area, the texture, main texture of your hair. If it is, curly and denser and thicker in diameter, a person might require fewer grafts to cover the full density and give a full coverage if his texture is a little bit of curly and thicker in texture. Whereas if you have a fine textured hair, then you might require more graft. All right. And then comes the hair growth cycle. That is very personal to everyone. Every graft has its own cycle. Some grafts might pick up very early and they start to grow, whereas the other grafts, they might require a longer time. So every graft has a different cycle. Then comes your variability, healing response. So some people might respond very well initially, and overall there is going to be something on a sustained release. That is when then the growth factors, when we give the PRP session, that will pick up and that will give you the boost. So hair transplant is never a copy or paste thing. It can always vary depending on your body, depending on your maintenance, how you're getting it done. If you have any more doubts, you can always DM us or book a consultation at New Roots Bangalore.